Health Grade 7 Video 1. Children, I have sent you the first part of the lesson as a note. This is the second part. It is a video lesson. We have to start from the page number 92. Children, the topic is things you have to keep in mind when planning your meal. The things are the food must have a certain level of nutrition, color, order, taste, using different methods of cooking, variety in food items, selecting food items that are freely available during that season. Children, the next topic is let us avoid unhealthy food. Food containing excessive amounts of oil, sugar, and salt, as well as food containing harmful flavors and colorings, and unclean food can pose a threat to your health. Food having excessive amounts of oil, sugar, and salt. This increases the risk of getting non communicable diseases. The maximum amount of sugar one should take per day is 6 teaspoons. This includes the sugar we get from food. So you can have only 2 teaspoons of sugar per day in addition to what you get from food. The maximum salt intake per day is 1 teaspoon. Food that contains artificial coloring agents and flavors. To improve the color and taste of food, manufacturers use various flavors and coloring agents to food during production. Some of them are natural and some are artificial. Unsanitary food. You have to be mindful about the cleanliness of the food you select. Nevertheless, the personal hygiene of the person who prepares the food affects its quality. What can you do about this? People who prepare food must always wear suitable headwear, gloves, shoes, masks, and protective dresses. Use hand wash or disinfectant after using the toilet or before handling food. If you have a wound in the hand, you must not touch food unless it is properly covered. You should not touch food if you have an infectious disease such as diarrhea or a skin infection. You must not wear jewelry, watches, pins when preparing food. Things to remember when buying food. Check the production and expiry dates. Look at the ingredients including flavors and coloring agents. Make sure that the SLS logo Sri Lanka standards is there. Be mindful about the freshness of food. Consider the requirements of the family. See whether there are animal bites or other damage. Should be suitable for the person who is eating it. Examples: patients, pregnant mothers, infants. Traditional foods. The use of traditional condiments in food preparation. From ancient times, people have been using condiments to improve the taste, nourishment, color, and smell of food. Condiments improve appetite, help digestion. Certain natural additives we use give not only taste but also medicinal value to the food. Examples: ginger for indigestion, dill seeds reduce cholesterol in blood, turmeric act as a disinfectant and improve mental functions, cinnamon increase the function of insulin, act as an antioxidant, reduce body fat, garlic help kill cancer cells, help the immune system. Preservation of food according to traditional methods. From ancient times, people have used different methods of preserving excess food after bountiful harvest. Methods of preserving food: drying with sunlight, heating fire, food, fish, vegetables, meat, salting, food, dry fish, jardi, line pickle, mango, smoking, food, meat, fish, packing with arecanut leaves, food, jaggery. Chemical methods: soaking in vinegar, honey and sugar, food, pickle, meat, fruits. Traditional food produced in our country with high nutritional value: mixed green malluma, 7 vegetable curry hatmaluwa, diyabat rice with water, talapa thick porridge. How can you contribute to find nutritional food? Advertisements and promotional media campaigns, taking nutritional food at the correct time, eat homemade food whenever possible, selection of short eats full of nutrients, proper selection of packaged and tin food items. Instances when packaged food must not be used: when it is damaged or crushed, when it has passed its expiry date, when there is discoloration. Instances when tin food should not be used: when the can is lid or bulging, when the can is dented, when the tin is damaged or leaking, when it has passed its expiry date. Use in the home garden and school compound for food production. By cultivating food crops in the home or school garden as needed for daily consumption, one can have fresh food. While it is good for health, it will also save your money. Use natural methods to minimize attack from insects. Grow Daspetia plants, insect repellent, remove weeds by hand, keep the cultivated area clean. Children, now you have to answer these questions. Mention 3 benefits that our body gets from food. Write the 2 main types of nutrients we get from food. What are the 3 macronutrients? Write 2 types of food that contain each type of macronutrient. List 3 types of food that are rich in fiber. Why do we need water? Write 3 reasons. Mention 2 important factors that we should have in mind when planning our meals. Mention 2 types of micronutrients.